Today I'm making sweet. I'm adding half a spoon of salt and 1 cup of sugar, 2.5 cup of flour, and quarter of butter, and half cup of milk, and when I mix it all together, it turns like that, but it's too soft, so you can add little flour on top of it to make it like the dough a little bit harder. So whenever you see it soft, you can add flour to make it like a little bit not soft. Now I spread the dough. I cut it like this, some of it, and some of it you can use this one. You can push it in like that, and this one I cut it like triangle way. Now I put on top of it oil. Now I'm gonna put it under. And if you want it, you can add the oil. Boil the oil in a medium or low high. Then you can add it like that. If you want it, you can bake. So now I'm doing on the other way, the oily way. Yeah, you can do that too. Here, both of them. This is I baked, this is I cooked with the oil, and the difference try with me. Enjoy.